Hello, everybody. I have been asked to talk about passion today. What is passion? Passion is energy and believing it can be done. Your work is what you get paid for, and the energy that you bring to your work is combining work with passion, which eventually helps you to deliver results in terms of your best performance. If you could combine passion with your work, you will deliver the best in terms of your performance. Now, work as you live has been the underlying motto of Exaltians all over, and we strongly believe and walk the talk in what we say. Passion also brings in a lot of infectious and energy amongst yourself and your team members, which percolates to all the stakeholders in the organization, internal and external as well. Passionate leaders are fully committed and engaged to achieve their goals, and most importantly, helping your team and others achieve their goals as well. So, in short, leaders own their successes and their failures, and that is what we Exaltians are fully committed to. We always believe in working together and making things happen with passion, which is what encourages and motivates the team. So this sense of positive and contagious energy is always seen in our actions, in our thoughts, and in our deeds. So we as Exaltians strongly believe that this is the way forward to perform and deliver, and go with the organizational objectives what we have set out for. So with this, I encourage all the fellow colleagues and my team members to get vaccinated and stay safe. Thank you.
Dear colleagues, I just wanted to share my views on passion today. According to me, passion is a strong and barely controllable emotion that will have an impact on you. It can be something that takes great challenges, strength, and risk. It may be fitness, friends, family, work, anything it may be. Let us be passionate with anything that we do in our life. Passion is the energy developed personally that pushes us and motivates us to do more and more better of what we like. It doesn't necessarily need to be our work, but doing our passion, even just as a hobby, will certainly make our life happier and more satisfying. Work hard and play hard through life with what you are passionate about. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Joydeep, and I hope everybody in Exaltis India as well as their family members are keeping well. Well, speaking about passion, passion is a source of energy, a source of innocent energy that drives creativity, discoveries, and innovation. Data shows that passionate workers are most valued and they are great contributors to the organization. And now, with integrity being the core foundation of our culture, and with core values like diversity and innovation, I think Exaltis India is all set to trigger passion in everybody. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ghaus Khan from Exaltis India. Hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to tell you about one more core value of Exaltis is passion. What is passion? According to me, passion means a state of mind comes from the intense desire. Attitude plays an important role in building up the passion. Passion motivates us to put best efforts. When thoughts become action and action become habits, habits builds up the passion. If you decided to do something, do it with your passionately, whatever comes on your way. Without passion, you cannot complete any work with enthusiasm and involvement. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.